a retreat. That's what it reminds me of. It's so gorgeous, gardenia. And for any of you that make rose soap, sometimes rose on its own can actually smell a little bit old ladies. So it smells like, you know, a real old-fashioned Victorian one. But if you mix some gardenia in with it, it actually kind of gives it a bit of a sweetness in the soap. That's one thing that I do really like about gardenia. So that's why I've actually got a couple bottles of that. And a dozen roses. Honestly, this is my favourite rose I've ever used in my life. This is from Pure Candle Supplies. And Aussie Candles have another one that's called Peony. But this one, I love it. So anyway, and I'm going to go back and try some of this, which is from Pure Candle Supplies. This is their coconut one, which I think is kind of like the apricot coconut that I see a lot of people in the US make. I'm just going to pop it down behind the counter. But yeah, so that's why I'm going to try it, because I've actually got some new stuff that's been bought in from the UK from another lady that I know. And then, aren't I lucky? I mean, Pure Candle Supplies are so nice to me. They give me all these freebies to try out. So I'm going to try these ones out and I'll let you guys know. And as well with my business, I mean, tell me if you love these. These are Pure Candle Supplies, just bought them in. These are these new ones. They're black candle vessels, and they're the same as my white one, but in a matte black. And I've been asked for these a few times, especially because I make a candle called Leatherwood, which is kind of like, it smells like old Italian leather mixed with sandalwood and vanilla, which, look, it's not a scent I love, because I love scents that are a little different. But anyway, that one there is one that I'm going to use for that. And then I thought what I'll do is also get some white lids and some black lids. So that's what I've done in here. And then the box you can see here is more of those candles. So I won't show you that because you'll be bored. But anyway, and then I thought, look, I'll try these white lids as well, which is my new candle ones. Usually I do black, but I thought these ones will be pretty cool, won't they? So anyway, I thought, look, I'll just show you guys that. And I will show you a mould that my husband's made, and you can tell me what you think in a second. We'll find it. Let me move this out of the way because you don't want to see all these things through this. And for anyone that makes candles, I thought I'll show you this. I don't know whether you guys have seen these before, but see, it's like a powder form. And what this actually is it's a dye for candles, but it's really strong. I tried the purple one and it was super strong, and I've been asked for black candles. So I'm going to try this one out and see. And it doesn't clog up the wick. You can use wood wicks or cotton. It's really, really good. Honestly, it's amazing. So like I said, I've tried the purple and I'm going to try the black and see how I go. But for now, I'm actually going to show you guys just the other, what's it called? The soap thing that my husband made. So hold on, I'll go and grab it. And then we will see. So, and look, I haven't even cleaned it because, you know, I made soap. But anyway, so it's massive. So if any of you are handy or your partner's handy, you can just put clips on it. All it is a box. And then if you put clips on the end, this just falls down and that falls down. So if you see, it comes like that. And then you can just literally pull your soap out. And I just put this liner on. This is actually just a non-stick silicone thing, you know, that you can get. But anyway, that's what my husband does. And because I want to make a tall mold, this is quite tall, I'm going to then get a splitter and just split it down the middle. So to be tall and lean and about 1 inch thick. I'm sorry for Aussies if I say 1 inch because we use centimetres here. But I do know I often say inch because I used to sew a lot. And sewing, you kind of use the old American inches as, you know, your little thing anyway. But I thought while I'm here, if you guys want, I might just give you a little bit of a look around my studio, and that way you can see exactly what I do. And but yeah, hopefully that's what you want to have a look at. Most people want to see what I'm up to. So anyway, let me just see if I'm smart enough to figure out the camera, and we'll flip it. So my little dogs are having a snooze, so I'm sorry that they're in here. But if I make something not allowed to come in.